Hi y'all, welcome back to Mio Academy. I'm Jacob, and in this module, we'll dive into Channel Sync. Channel Sync allows users to stay in either Google Chat or Microsoft Teams while chatting in the same channel or space. Admins can import and sync various channels and spaces across their organization using the Mio Hub. Let's dive into Channel Sync. To import channels, we'll head to the Mio Hub. Select Channels in the top navigation bar, then the Import Channels tab. This is where admins of Google and Microsoft can import their teams, channels, and spaces. For Microsoft Teams, you'll have the option to select and import the specific teams that house the channels you would like to sync. For Google Chat, you must import all channels within the entire workspace. It's important to know that Mio does not import private channels or spaces unless the Mio bot has been added to them as a member. You'll know the import is finished when you see a green connected label next to both platforms. The next step is to sync the imported channels and spaces for cross-platform messaging. In the Sync Channels tab, click the Create a New Sync button. Here, you can select the Google Chat workspace and Microsoft Teams team that has the channels and spaces you'd like to sync. After clicking Continue, you'll be taken to the page to sync the individual channels and spaces. The two options for syncing channels and spaces are Mirror and Sync. Mirror will create a new channel or space on the opposite platform to reflect a channel that only exists on one platform. Sync will connect equivalent channels or spaces that exist on both platforms. For example, if there's a sales space on Google Chat and a sales channel on Teams, Sync will create a bridge between both channels so that users in those channels can message each other instantly. After selecting the channels and spaces to sync, click the blue Sync Channels button and Mio will handle the rest. You can edit synced channels and spaces at any time. Simply return to the Sync Channels tab and click Add Edit Channels. Here, you can add syncs the same way we did in the previous clip. You can also adjust existing syncs by clicking the View or Edit Existing Syncs tab. Check the box of the sync you'd like to remove, or hover over the center green icon and click the red X icon. Click Unsync Selected to confirm. Channel Sync ensures that membership across platforms is accurate and up to date. If a user joins or leaves a synced channel, the membership change is automatically reflected on the other channel. Normal channel creation happens in the platform depending on your organization's settings, but only admins who have access to the Mio Hub can sync a channel to the other platform. Thank you for watching this lesson on Channel Sync. If you have any further questions, please visit our Help Center at help.m.io. And stay tuned for more lessons here at Mio Academy, where we help you become an expert on all things Mio. See you next time.